In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a table of contents and bookmarks in Google Docs. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this Google Forms document. And let's say I want to mark a location within a document and make it very easy for someone to jump to that particular point. So I'm going to scroll down within the document. And maybe I want them to be able to find this section on Finding Google Forms. So I'm going to go up to the Insert menu and I'm going to select Bookmark. It's going to insert a bookmark right next to where I put my cursor, and you'll see a blue icon of a little bookmark. Now I can go anywhere else in the document, so I'm going to go up to the top here. I'm going to type Finding Google Forms, and I want to link that to the bookmark I just created. So I'm going to highlight that, and of course you could just highlight a single word or character if you wanted to do that, but I'm going to highlight those three words. I'm going to go up to my toolbar and click the Insert Link. And here you'll notice there's an option for bookmarks, and I can select that bookmark I created entitled Finding Google Forms. So I'm going to select that and click Apply. And now when I click that link, it's going to jump to that particular point within my document. So bookmarks are a great way to very quickly highlight portions of a document so people can jump to them very quickly or make navigation a little bit easier. Now within a longer document, let me go back to my drive. I have this one entitled Copy of Using Google Forms Guide. Now this is a very, very long document, about 20 to 30 pages. And I probably wouldn't want to use bookmarks to indicate important parts of the document just because it's too long. So it makes sense that I'd want to use a table of contents in this particular situation. So in order to use a table of contents, one of the things you have to do is format your headings for your different sections. So that's already been done in this document where it says what is Google Forms. Go ahead and highlight that. You'll notice that up here at the top, the style chosen is heading 3. And if we go down to the next section, which is creating a new form, that also has a style of heading 3. So when you're creating your table of contents, you want to make sure that you pick either the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 style in order for the table of contents to work. And you'll want to do that before each section you would like to appear within your table of contents. So once I've added those styles to my different sections, I've added the heading 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm going to go up here, I'm going to type table of contents because that's where I'm going to insert it into my document. And then I'm going to go up to Insert, and we're going to select Table of Contents from the Insert menu. And amazingly, it automatically generates that table of contents using the sections that I styled with the heading 1, 2, 3, or 4. And I can now click on any of these sections to jump to it. So if I want to jump to adding a section and page breaks, I can click on that and jump to that section within my document. Now, one last thing I want to mention about your table of contents is that you can continue to add sections to it by using those different styles. When you click on it, there is a refresh or update button there so that you'll see those new sections appear.